Window frame?
Oh,
It's not highlighted. Why is that? What the heck?
I'd cry.
Why are you not crying then? No, don't cry.
That you asked me to cry.
I was just asking, like, why aren't you crying? I didn't say, like, cry. I didn't say cry. I said, why are you not crying?
You were right, so I started crying.
Nerissa, you gotta have an opinion. You can't just keep folding.
How can I?
You gotta have an opinion. You gotta have an opinion. You gotta have an opinion.
It feels like a blessing that we all managed to get together like this. Oh, this is me. Thanks for inviting me. I gotta talk more like myself. 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 It feels like a blessing that we all managed to get together like this. Oh, this is me. Thanks for inviting me. I gotta talk more like myself. Of course, IRyS, you're a part of...
Wait, is next year your real birthday?
Next year, my very first birthday!
It's a leap year!
Yay! It's coming slowly, but
You've got to do
surely.
something extra special. You've got to do something extra special. You've got to do something extra special. You've got to do something extra special. Wait, is next year your real birthday?
Next year, my very first birthday!
It's a leap year!
Yay! It's coming slowly, but
You've got to do
surely.
something extra special.
Oh no. There's the pressure.
Yep, there it is, and I'm gonna keep applying it because you gotta make it super special. Only once every 4 years.
Oh no, she's adding the pressure.
Oh, that's a bit more
pressure. I don't know. I turned 1, I know, right? But...
Oh, I see the little dirty bits. I know how to do it. I just don't feel like it. I just want to see the problem, you know? I feel like it should just appear to me. I shouldn't have to look for it.
That's not good. You should be more of a problem solver.
You're right. I should be more of a problem solver.
Have an opinion, Nerissa! Don't just cave in immediately like that.
I'm so easily swayed, though.
Window frame?
Oh,
It's not highlighted. Why is that? What the heck?
I'd cry.
Why are you not crying then? No, don't cry.
That you asked me to cry.
I was just asking, like, why aren't you crying? I didn't say, like, cry. I didn't say cry. I said, why are you not crying?
You were right, so I started crying.
Nerissa, you gotta have an opinion. You can't just keep folding.
How can I not fold to such a beautiful woman? I don't know. It's impossible. You're asking me to do an impossible.
Regardless of whether someone's beautiful or not, like you gotta. Oh man, where's the window frame? Huh? Can't find it.
I'm crying. There's tears in my eyes.
Ice cream shop, come to our ice cream shop. Come and try a bunch of flavors, you will not regret it. Ice cream shop, come to our ice cream shop. Come and hang out at our ice cream shop, it's called Not Just Ice, haha, yeah!